Have you ever wondered how a simple salt blend can turn everyday meals into a flavor explosion? Savanetian salt, a traditional Georgian seasoning, is here to take your cooking to the next level. This magical mix of garlic, herbs, and spices brings a depth of flavor that's hard to resist. Whether you're passionate about Georgian food or just looking for new ideas in the kitchen, this is a must-try. I'll show you how to make it at home, step by step, and share some tasty ways to use it. Choose your subtitles. Ingredients in the description. You'll need half a cup of garlic, which we'll peel and begin chopping to make the mashing process easier. Place them in a mortar. Using a larger mortar helps, but this is the one I had on hand. Start grinding them. For this recipe, we'll use 1 cup of salt, but we'll use some during the grinding process to make it easier. Those tiny salt crystals will help break down the garlic. Use as much salt as you need, since we'll need to add it all in the end. Continue until you have a garlic paste. Now, we'll use a bowl to mix all the spices and herbs for our seasoning salt. Place all the garlic paste we just prepared into the bowl. Add the remaining salt, mixing it in. And here we go with the spices. First, 2 tablespoons of ground coriander. I use seeds that I toast and grind beforehand. Now, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek. If you have blue fenugreek, it'll be even more authentic. 1 tablespoon of ground cumin seeds, also toasted. 1 tablespoon of dried dill. I've never tried using fresh dill. And 1 tablespoon of chili powder. It's optional, but you need a little of that spicy punch. Mix everything well, and then we move on to the last ingredient, something truly Georgian. 1 tablespoon of marigold, Georgia's national flower. You can also use powder marigold, but I like it this way. And you have it. But wait until the end, because I'm going to give you some ideas on how to use it. You can use a jar to store your salt in the refrigerator for several weeks, or let it dry for a few days and keep it for months. You can also leave a like if you enjoy this video. This salt will be a perfect condiment for simple roasted potatoes, or some bread and butter, which is our favorite at home. Leave me a comment if you'd like a recipe for this ciabatta-style bread we discovered in Georgia. But one of the uses that will change your marinades will be mixing the salt with a little ajika. I'll leave a link in the description so you can make it at home. You can use the mixture to marinate your meats, like chicken, which, once roasted, will give off one of the best aromas I've ever experienced in my career as a professional chef. I'll see you next week with another dish. Thanks for watching.